What's going on, guys? It's Jesse at Humble Auto Spa, and today I wanted to walk you around this beautiful Porsche Cayenne. This is the E-Hybrid version, and so our client here bought this vehicle as his daily driver, and if you look at it, it's actually purple. I mean, look at that. It's friggin' sweet. So it's purple paint over bronze powder-coated wheels with the lime green E-Hybrid brakes, and so that is such a cool combo. So our client here came in, he got full body paint protection film on this vehicle, and then we went ahead and did our System X Max G Plus ceramic coating on the paint, glass, and wheels. This ceramic coating is going to make it really easy to clean. It looks glossy like this pretty much all the time, and even when it does get dirty, you'll find that it doesn't take an hour and a half to wash your car. It's only going to take realistically like 30-45 minutes to wash your car. He wanted the best form of protection, and this is absolutely what that package is. And so full body clear bra protects the entire vehicle from things like rock chips, scratches, swirl marks, those types of things. They actually all heal in the sun. And so what's really great is that he can go home, he can drive the car, he's not going to be worried about damaging this gorgeous paint, and because it's ceramic coated, it's going to look like a new car all the time. If you want your car done up like this, you want the best, and I really mean the best form of paint protection, then that's what this package is. Chemical resistance from the ceramic coating and ease of maintenance and gloss, as well as full body protection from abrasion and rock chips. But if you want to get this done, we're still holding appointments here, and we're still running 25% off specials. We're booking into late March into April. So if you want to get a spot, let me know. If you want to get your car looking like that, you let me know. It's Jesse at Humble Auto Spa, signing out.